Hello students, yesterday we discussed some formulae on multiple and submultiple angles. Today I would like to discuss some related problems based on that formulae. The first problem is, if sin alpha by A is equal to cos alpha by B, then prove that A sin 2 alpha plus B cos 2 alpha is equal to B. If sin alpha by A is equal to cos alpha by B, then prove that A sin 2 alpha plus B cos 2 alpha is equal to B. Given that sin alpha by A is equal to cos alpha by B, then it can be written as B sin alpha is equal to A cos alpha. B sin alpha is equal to A cos alpha. This is the next. We have to prove that A sin 2 alpha plus B cos 2 alpha is equal to B. LHS. We take LHS. A sin 2 alpha plus B cos 2 alpha. We have to prove that A sin 2 alpha plus B cos 2 alpha is equal to B. We have a formula, sin 2 alpha is 2 sin alpha cos alpha, and cos 2 alpha have 4 formulae. One of that formula is 1 minus 2 sin square alpha. A into 2 sin alpha cos alpha plus B into cos 2 alpha. The formula of cos 2 alpha, one of the formula is 1 minus 2 sin square alpha. 1 minus 2 sin square alpha. We know A cos alpha is equal to B sin alpha. This comes from given condition. So A cos alpha, we can write instead of A cos alpha is equals to B sin alpha. So 2 sin alpha into B sin alpha, and B into 1 B minus B into 2 sin square alpha, 2B sin square alpha. 2B sin square alpha. Here multiply that 2 sin alpha into B sin alpha is equals to 2B sin square alpha. 2B sin square alpha plus here B minus 2B sin square alpha. 2B sin square alpha gets cancelled. We can get B. It is RHS. Hence proved. The second problem is, prove that 1 by sin 10 degree minus root 3 by cos 10 degree is equals to 4. We take LHS. LHS is equals to 1 by sin 10 degree minus root 3 by cos 10 degree. Here LCM is sin 10 degree into cos 10 degree. Then we get cos 10 degree here minus root 3 into sin 10 degree. Here denominator and numerator multiply and divide by 2. 2 by 2 of cos 10 degree minus root 3 sin 10 degree by here also 2 by 2 sin 10 degree into cos 10 degree. Here multiply 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2 cos 10 degree minus root 3 by 2 sin 10 degree divided by 1 by 2 into 2 sin 10 degree into cos 10 degree. 1 by 2 value, the value of 1 by 2 in sin 30. The value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So we can write here sin 30 and here cos 30 is equals to 2 into sin 30 degree into cos 10 degree minus cos 30 degree into sin 10 degree. Here a formula is occurred, 2 sin theta cos theta. The formula of 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. Here theta is 10 degree by divided by 1 by 2 into sin 2 into 10 degree. Next step is 2 into, here a formula is occurred, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B is equals to sin of A minus B. 2 into sin of A means 30 degree and B means 10 degree. Here we get 1 by 2 into sin 2 into 10 degree, 20 degree. Here also 30 degree minus 10 degree gets sin 20 degree. We get 2 into sin 20 degree and 1 by 2 into sin 20 degree. Sin 20 degree gets cancelled. We get the answer 4. The next problem is prove that sin 2a by 1 minus cos 2a into 1 minus cos a by cos a is equals to tan a by 2. Here LHS is sin 2a by 1 minus cos 2a, 1 minus cos 2a into 1 minus cos a, 1 minus cos a by cos a. We have to prove that sin 2a by 1 minus cos 2a into 1 minus cos a by cos a is equals to tan a by 2. We know that sin 2a is equals to 2 sin a cos a by 1 minus cos 2a is equals to 2 sin square a into 1 minus cos a by cos a, 1 minus cos a by cos a. Here cos a gets cancelled and also sin a and here 1 sin a cancel, 2 gets cancelled. We have 1 minus cos a by sin a, and also we have to apply the formula of multiples. 1 minus cos a is equals to 2 sin square a by 2. 1 minus cos a is equals to 2 sin square a by 2. This is half angle formula. And also another half angle formula, sin a is equals to 2 sin a by 2 into cos a by 2. Here 2 gets cancelled, 1 sin a gets cancelled. Here sin a, we have sin a by 2 by cos a by 2, that is equal to tan a by 2. Okay, next problem, we have to prove that cot a plus tan a is equal to 2 cosecant to a, and another one is cot a minus tan a is equal to 2 cot to a. We have to prove these two problems. The first one, LHS is cot a plus tan a, cot a plus tan a. We can write cot a is equals to cos a by sin a, and also tan a is equals to sin a by cos a. LCM is sin a cos a, sin a cos a. Here cos a into cos a, cos square a plus we get to sin square a. We know that already cos square a plus sin square a is equals to 1. The next step is 1 by sin A cos A. Sin A cos A. Multiply and divide by 2. Then we get 2 by 2 sin A cos A. 2 sin A cos A, that equal to 2 by 2 sin A cos A means sin 2A. Sin 2A. 1 by sin A is equals to cosecant A. The reciprocal of cosecant A is 1 by sin A. So then here we get 2 cosecant 2A. 2 cosecant 2A. Next we have to prove that cot A minus tan A is equal to 2 cot 2A. LHS is cot A minus tan A. Tan A. Cot A means cos A by sin A. Cos A by sin A. Minus tan A means sin A by cos A. The LCM is sin A cos A. Sin A cos A. Here we get cos square A minus sin square A. The formula of cos square A minus sin square A is cos 2A. Here we get cos 2A by sin A cos A. Sin A cos A. Here also we have to multiply and divide with 2. So we can get 2 cos 2A by 2 sin A cos A. 2 sin A cos A. 2 sin A cos A means sin 2A. 2 cos 2A by sin 2A. Sin 2A. Cos 2A by sin 2A equal to cot 2A. So we get cot 2A. It is RHS. Hence proved. Hello students. Next problem is prove that tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta is equal to cot theta. First we take LHS. LHS equal to tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta. We have to prove that tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta is equal to cot theta. We know that a formula cot theta minus tan theta is equals to 2 cot 2 theta. 2 cot 2 theta. From this we get tan theta. Tan theta equal to cot theta minus 2 cot 2 theta. Cot theta minus 2 cot 2 theta. Here tan theta equal to cot theta minus 2 cot 2 theta. Here we can submit tan theta equal to 2 cot 2 theta. In previous problem we solve this formula. So from this tan theta equal to cot theta minus 2 cot 2 theta, and another one is 2 tan 2 theta and 4 tan 4 theta, 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta. Here minus 2 common minus 2, and we get formula cot theta minus 2 of cot 2 theta minus tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta, 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta. Here also a formula is occurred cot theta minus tan theta. Here cot theta minus tan theta equal to cot 2 theta. Cot 2 theta minus tan 2 theta is equals to 2 cot 4 theta. We get 2 cot 4 theta. That's why you can write cot theta minus 2 into 2 cot 4 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta. Next step is cot theta minus 2 into 2 4 4 cot 4 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta. Here also we get common minus 4, and then next step is cot theta minus 4 into cot 4 theta minus tan 4 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta. From the above step, cot theta minus 4 into cot 4 theta minus tan 4 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta. The formula is applied. Cot theta minus tan theta equal to 2 cot 2 theta. Here apply the formula cot 4 theta minus tan 4 theta. We get 4 cot 2 cot 8 theta. 2 cot 8 theta. Then cot theta minus 4 into 2 cot 8 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta. And we get cot theta minus 8 cot 8 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta. Here 8 cot 8 theta, 8 cot 8 theta gets cancelled. We get the solution cot theta. This is the answer. The solution of tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta is equals to cot theta.